Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to raise a VAT only invoice in Xero. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In Xero, a VAT only invoice is used when you need to charge or adjust VAT without affecting the net amount of the transaction. To create one, you enter an invoice with a description, set the price to 0 and select the appropriate VAT rate. This ensures that only the VAT amount is recorded while the net total remains 0. It's useful for situations like VAT adjustments or reverse charges. Once done, you can save and send the invoice as needed, keeping your VAT records accurate. To raise the VAT only invoice in Xero, you need to follow these steps. In first step, what you need to do is go to the business, then select bills to pay, and after that, select new bill. Select or enter the name of the supplier. Then enter all relevant information such as date, due date and reference number. In the description, specify the details of the VAT amount. Enter the net amount and select the appropriate VAT rate. Xero will calculate and add the VAT to the total. To ensure that only the VAT amount is recognized without affecting the P&L, add another line item. For this line, use the same amount code as the first line but enter a negative amount equal to the net cost. Set the VAT rate for this line to no VAT. The total amount due should now only reflect the VAT amount. This setup ensures that only the VAT is recorded while the net cost is not recognized in the P&L. Once everything is correct, save and approve the bill. By doing this, the VAT amount will be recorded correctly for your VAT return, and the net expense will not affect your profit and loss statement. If you encounter any issues or need more detailed information, feel free to leave a comment. And that's pretty much all about how you can raise a VAT only invoice in Xero. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye and I will see you in the next one.